Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Bloomberg terminal. First, ensure you have a valid subscription and access credentials. You'll typically find the terminal on a dedicated workstation or as a software application on your computer. Once located, simply launch the program. Then, input your unique username and password into the login screen to gain access. It's a straightforward process designed for quick entry into the financial world. Once logged in, you'll see the main interface. The command line at the top is your primary tool for interaction. Type in specific functions or company tickers there. Remember to press the green Go key after entering any command to execute it and display the relevant information. Additionally, the yellow function keys provide quick access to major categories like equities, fixed income, or news, streamlining your navigation experience. The Bloomberg terminal offers a vast array of functions. For example, typing EQS-Go allows you to screen for equities based on various criteria, while FA-Go provides in-depth financial analysis tools. To stay updated, use News-Go for real-time financial headlines and market-moving stories. If you ever need assistance or want to learn more about a specific feature, simply type Help Go for comprehensive guides and support. To maximize your efficiency, customize your workspace by saving frequently used screens and layouts. This saves valuable time during your daily analysis. You can also connect with other users and experts directly through the Bloomberg messaging system for insights and collaboration. For those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals. Mastering these features will significantly enhance your terminal experience and productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.